At Magil Construction, we are transforming the way construction sites are monitored by integrating micro-drones into our daily workflows. Traditional site inspections are slow and reactive. Early-stage errors in excavation, formwork, or reinforcement can create costly delays and impact quality. Our standardized workflow combines DroneLink for automated flights, Pix4D for photogrammetry, and BIM platforms like Revisto for integration. With ground control points, every data set is georeferenced and directly compared with design models in 2D and 3D. This process improves quality, enhances safety by keeping workers out of hazardous areas, and provides a reliable digital record of the project at every stage. Magil Construction, building better, safer, and smarter.